Hey everyone, Matt King with the King Piers team out here with another video showcase of the nation's very best engineering sound foundation repair. If you'd like to see more, we highly encourage you to visit us over on our YouTube and Facebook channels. If you haven't visited before, just search for King Piers LLC. And while you're there, we'd really appreciate if you left a like and a subscribe. We are out here putting the finishing touches onto our project in Roland Park, Kansas. Just to do another brief overview of this project, this is the rear back foundation wall. We had it leaning in approximately 3 inches. So we came in, did our excavation on the outside of the wall to relieve all of that pressure, causing it to lean inward in the first place. And then once that was done, we brought in our 6x6 treated wood support post and 30-ton hydraulic bottle jacks. And you saw the video earlier this week when we just a very short amount of time, about a minute, it took to straighten the wall back to vertical. So once that wall was straightened, we put 4 King Pier 2s under the footing of the wall and raised that back up to its correct level elevation. We sealed all the cracks with a combination of epoxy injection and polyurethane. The gap that was made once we straightened the wall, where the wall and the floor meet, we filled that first with concrete and then applied polyurethane. So yeah, everything was good there once the cracks were all sealed, and the final step of the 4-step repair process is getting our steel H-beam wall braces installed. Those are going to ensure that the wall remains vertical. So I always like to point out when we do these jobs, because we see so many times on some of these houses where previous wall brace installation has been done, most companies will bolt from the narrow ends of the floor joists. We bolt everything from the side. So we come in with 6x6s, new treated wood, and it ultimately looks better. It's not going to tear up the floor joists, and it's going to ensure that the wall brace stays where it needs to. The bottom end, as you know, is setting 4 inches below the floor, right on top of the footing, and we concrete that in with high-strength concrete as well. So this is about as secure of a job as you can possibly get for one of these. These 4-step foundation repair projects are probably the main type of work that we do. More often than not, there are a lot of homes that have these leaning wall issues, and really the only thing that we do differently than a lot of other companies, and it seems like it makes perfect sense to me, is we will excavate all the way on the outside. It is so much easier to push against air than it is against earth. And then just simple 6x6s and bottle jacks, we slightly raise the floor joist off the top of the wall, and then we have our tilted angled 6x6s and bottle jacks, and we just slowly and gently get that wall tilted back to vertical. It's a very simple process when you really get down to it, but it works. And we have so many videos and pictures showing that it works. So I'd really appreciate if you guys could check us out on YouTube and Facebook. Again, you can see the video where we tilted the wall back to vertical earlier this week. Yeah, King Piers LLC on YouTube and Facebook. While you're there, we'd really appreciate it if you left a like and a subscribe. You can also go to our website, kingpiers.com. And don't forget, you can always call us directly by phone at 1-816-288-4373.